Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mehndi Artistica Shobha. Today you will find in this video some simple and so beautiful Mehndi designs like gold tikki Mehndi designs, simple finger Mehndi designs, party Mehndi designs, mandala Mehndi designs and many type of Mehndi designs you will find in this video. You can also use these designs like parties, some special events, bride ceremony and many type of ceremony you will use these designs. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and comments, and if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel Mehndi Artistica Shobha. Thank you so much. Please keep watching.